Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Painted Imagination. Today we will be doing Sally from the Nightmare Before Christmas movie. And if you love Halloween, you know that's one of the big ones. So I did this costume many years ago and I made my own dress, which is pretty easy because it's just patches sewn together. And I have it here. Very basic. This was a long time ago, but it works. It works for the costume, and it's comfortable. And of course, you can make it sexy, make it short, make it long, whatever you want. And then what I used for the arms was I took stockings and I put the stitches on them. So when you wear it, it looks like your skin. So if you're doing blue, do blue stockings. If you're doing white, do white stockings. All right, guys, so let's get to it. Enjoy. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Alright, I'm starting off this look by placing my eyeshadow primer all over my lid as well as underneath the eye. Then I'm taking the color Snow and focusing in the corner of my eye but also all over my lid. Then I'm taking Aqua, it's a matte turquoise, and placing it 3/4 the way up on my lid and blending it into that white. And then I'm taking Sparkly Aqua, which is a shimmer turquoise, and placing it in my crease. And I'm creating a larger crease, a higher crease, to create the illusion of a larger eye. Then I'm taking the color Abyss and just darkening up that crease and coming down the nose for a contour and blending it into that shimmer. Make sure you include the lower lash line, keeping those colors on the gradient as well. And then I'm moving on to my black. This is called Blackness, and just deepening up those creases and blending it all together. I applied eyeliner and lashes off camera and then just cleaned up the edges with a baby wipe. Now I applied some lipstick and I'm just darkening up the edges with the black shadow and placing the color Wine in the center. Alright, so now I'm just adding my Wolfe Black, lining the lips and adding a few stitches coming out from the corner of the lips. I'm also extending the eyeliner and adding some stitches there. And this could be a cute makeup look if you don't want to do the full look, and it's fast and easy and cute. Alright, so now moving on to the full face, we're going to add our star blends in the center. And I'm only staying in the middle. I'm not going to extend to my full face because I want the face to appear smaller. Now I'm taking that aqua color and just going around the edges, blending into the white. Then I'm going to take my shimmer turquoise and make sure I contour the nose and just make everything blend in seamlessly. Make sure you add some color for the neck, the white star blends, and then the turquoise on the edges, leaving the center white. Now I'm going to create my stitches coming out of the corner of the mouth and across the eye. I'm adding DFX White right on top of those black lines to make it look like the stitches are outlined, and then I'm moving on to the neck. Alright, so there's a part in the movie where her arm comes off and she has to sew it back on. So I got the idea, wouldn't it be cool if her neck looked like it was coming apart so that eventually she'll have to sew it back together. Alright, so I make sure outline everything in black, and I'm going to try and create that illusion here by creating an oval, leaving the color gray and the edges lighter than the center to make it look like it's indented. Okay, now I'm going to put the holes down for the stitches and shade the center of that opening and clean up my lines with the black. Then I'm going to create the thread coming down from each hole, connecting them with the larger brush and my DFX White. Then I'm going to take the black, outline them, and also the openings of the holes to make it neater. Alright, now I'm creating the chest with my star blends and turquoise, and then there's more stitches coming down here, so I started to create that with the same technique I used on the face. And I also added a small shadow right along the openings of each line. I deepened up the contour of my nose and made sure to blend the black into my hair and darken everything up on the edges. And that was it. Alright guys, so that's the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. Stay tuned for all my Halloween looks. I will be posting every Wednesday and Saturday, so that's 2 videos a week, every week. All your Halloween desires. Please leave me a comment if you'd like to see me do a special look. Alright, thank you. Bye.